Hi, good morning. Today discuss about the canon of tax action. So, what is the canon of tax action? It is tax action or the fundamental principles or guidelines that good tax system should follow. This origin introduced Adam Smith in his book *The Wealth of the Nation*, 1776. Adam Smith, four canon of taxation. It is canon of equity and canon of certainty and canon of convenience and canon of economic. And some others canon of taxation. It is added in the nowadays. It is the major canon of taxation. It is the equity and the certainty and the convenience and the economic. So, what is the equity? It is the tax should be levied based on the taxpayer ability to pay. So, what is the equity? It is the rich people should pay more tax than poor people. It is based on the income level. So, for it is an example. It is a progressive income tax. It is above 10 lakh. It is based on some percentage of tax percentage, and below 2 lakh 50,000. It is the nil tax. It is the equity of the Canada tax action. And then next, it is the canon of certainty. The taxpayer should know the exactly how much, when, and how to pay the tax. So the tax rules must be clear and not arbitrary. It is a clearly mentioned what is the percentage of more than 2,50,000 and more than 5 lakh and more than 10 lakh and more than 30 lakh. So clearly mentioned that the what is the percentage of the tax to the assessee, and it is the example for the income tax provision. And next, it is the canon of convenience. The tax should be collected at the time in a manner that convenient for the taxpayer. So it is the payment process should be easy. So it is end of that in the end of the time, it is difficulties, and some it does not pay the tax, it is immediately to, give the penalty for the government. So it is the example tax deducted sources system or advanced tax payment. It is the convenience canon of convenience to the assessee and the taxpayer. And the next one, it is the canon of economic. The cost of collecting the tax should be low. It is based on the income level. It is the middle class family, they are some other percentage. It is based on the income. The government should provide the percentage, and the taxpayer or assessee pay the tax. It is a revenue collector should be significantly more than the cost of the collection of the percentage. So next, it is the modern canon of taxation, canon of productivity and the elasticity and the simplicity and the diversity. Importance of Canada tax action: ensure the fair and efficient tax system, build a trust in tax authority, enhance compliance, improve revenue collection. So this is the Canada tax action, and it is essential for designing the sound tax system. The Adam Smith principle are still relevant and guided the modern tax policy.